what is the date today? Today is 31
Tomorrow is
December, yeah?
2026.
Tomorrow is 2000
26.
and today is the last day for 2025, yeah? And we try our luck today. If we catch a fish, definitely we will show you.
What are you doing, man? Do you feel like you think you can catch a fish? No. Oh, no. Okay. Are you enjoying Adelaide? Yeah. Okay. Bad luck. Ready? Nice throw. Okay, how many fish do you think we can catch?
What do you think in the lake? In this lake you want any fish?
And fishes come out in hot days.
No fish. Because the water is not very dirty.
Yes.
And see anyone fishing there, including us?
No. Just one person.
Oh, it's stuck again now.
No, I think you got trash. I think you got trash. I think you got trash.
Nothing, okay. Okay, come back.
Hi guys, you're watching Fadl Fishing Adventure. It's a time to go home and there's no fish because there's no any luck today. And
See you in the
next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.